Alright, so in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create professional looking LinkedIn picture from something like this to something like this. I'm sure you know how important it is to have a professional looking LinkedIn profile picture. A lot of people do use their personal picture when adding or updating their profiles, and it doesn't actually look more professional for you. In cases when employers are looking for who to hire, looking professional actually helps in getting selected or in getting contacted. So before you start, you can check the description of this video to find a link where you can just click to start the process. So this is a step-by-step guide. You can start by clicking on the link in the description and it will bring you over to this very platform. Now in getting here, the first thing you need to do is to come over here and click on this play icon and say run anyway, and then you give it some seconds. Alright, so once it is running, it's going to bring you over to this app started successful. Use the app with any of these, either this or this. So you can just go ahead and click on this. Let's click on this. Alright, so you'll be brought in over to this very platform. So what you need to do next is to come down here and click on advanced here, and then you can come over straight to advanced here. Alright, so once you're here, the first thing you need to do is to import the image that you want to use to convert to the LinkedIn profile picture. So you can come down here and you can click on input image, and then you can bring it over here. You have the option to drag and drop the image. So let's say we go to my desktop or to this profile picture. I have this image of mine, this one, so I can just click to import it, and directly you can see that I have just imported the image that I want to use for this action. Now the next thing you need to do is to remove the sections that you don't want within the image. So let's go back to, let's select the paintbrush over here and just increase the sizing, so you can use it to just clean up the areas that I don't want in the picture. So let's say I don't want all of this place. Alright, so I just leave my face, and let's say I don't want all of these places. Now once you're done here, you can just go ahead and come down here. Now you have to set in the prompt that you want. You can type in how you want the image to look like. Now in my own case, I want to generate, you can even ask AI to do the prompting for you to describe how you want the image to be as professional as you want. Let's say I have another AI tool that we can use to generate that. That AI tool is called Gravity Write, and once you come to Gravity Write, you can always click on start writing with start for free, start Gravity Write for free. And these are so many tools that you have with Gravity Write. There's so many of them, but the one that I'm targeting for today is under image prompt, this one. So you can just click on it and you'll be able to see professional headshot image prompt. I can just click on it and it will bring you over here. It can give you a sample prompt that you can prompt, but then you have to specify the gender and you have to specify the age and cultural background of the person, assuming let's say 35, African. What kind of dress style should the model have? You can just go ahead and say formal. Let's say we have, are there any specific details? Let's say we have cinematic background, formal cinematic background, and you can just go ahead and click on generate, and it's going to give you sample prompts that you can use for that particular image that we've just created. So you can see it has given us up to 4 samples. You can just select on any one. Let's say we'll go with the first one here, a photorealistic portrait of a 35-year-old African male model, extruding elegance and professionalism and so on. So it's very nice. I can just copy, and let's go back to where we started. Let's go back here and then let's paste in the prompt that we just copied from the Gravity Write. Now to make the best use of this for best results, you can come to advanced and you can come all the way over here, and you can come to advanced again, and then you can come to control over here, and then you can select this mixing image prompt and inpaint. It enables you to use the inpaint image that we've just uploaded over here. So you can just make sure you select on this, and then you can come down here and click on generate. Alright, and you can see over here right now the image is being generated. So which one do you prefer, 1 or 2? I think that's generated 2 profiles, and I think I prefer the first one. Let's say this one. I go with this because it's much better. So once you select this, you can come over here and download. Just one click and you can see it's been downloaded. Okay, so you can see it's been downloaded. I think I like what I see. So the next thing is you can go ahead and import it into your LinkedIn profile. So let's go to my LinkedIn account. Let's go to the profile account. You can just go to view profile over here, and if you want to change your profile picture, you can just go ahead and click on this, and right now you can say edit photo. You can just go ahead and click on add a photo, and you can see upload a photo over here, and you can just go ahead and go to download, and you can use that image directly and you can just import it, and it's going to be your profile picture very easily. Once you click, you can select, and you can see right now you can zoom in and you can click to recenter it so it becomes perfectly your profile picture. So you can see right now this is perfect, and once you click on save and once you refresh your LinkedIn account, this now becomes your profile picture. I think this is wonderful and fantastic. So this virtually concludes this class, this tutorial about how to create professional looking profile LinkedIn profile picture using AI. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please just go ahead and give it a try on your own by clicking on the link in the description and uploading any casual image of your choice, and then see how you can transform it into a professional LinkedIn profile. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.